So good evening, friends. So after 1 month, we are again going to see on Bitcoin. So as usual, now Bitcoin 15 minutes. Let me check for higher time frame. So higher time frame has already given a big massive move, but resistance is it is facing a resistance, a double top, and this is a horn pattern. If you don't know, I'll just show you if there no if there is any bars, so but that are not playing well. Okay, no problem. It is not showing the three bars actually. So we will again go to candlesticks. So what happens is when these two big dragonfly dojis are there and in between there is a open and high, so it is known as horn pattern. So horn pattern generally should form at the base and not at the resistance one. So generally you have a very small stop loss. I said you have a very small stop loss and a good targets, like, okay. So we will just go for 500 USD dollars trade, not more than that. Okay, let me see some other time. Yeah. Oh, it is going. So it takes some time to adjust, and we'll just see. So you have a very small stop loss of 137 points with a target ratio. What's happening today? For 1000 points downside. Okay, so yeah, I'll just close this down for now. So Bitcoin may rise more 100 points, okay, because it is higher time frame upside. So it may happen to trap the people. It may come max to max more than like 250 300 points up, and downside again it may travel 29,000 30,000 odd level, means 600 points down. So risk to reward ratio is not so good, but let's see what is the small time frame showings. So small time frames, these are very cookie sideways. What happens is that bears will again it will go up and bears will again take a stance, and again it will come down and go sideways and sideways, and then it may go some upside. Okay, so what is the important thing to understand over here? Have you been seen a Java programming? So object oriented and classes oriented works are being done in programming. Okay, so same over here we can say that this is a bear class and these are all the inheritance child class. Okay, so if you see this whole block, just look at that, if I get a rectangle, it will be very good. I'm not able to find rectangle now. Fine, no problem. But as you can see that this is a whole rectangle. Bulls over here failed to go up. Over here again it took a resistance. So technically it is just working. The market is not down, it is upside only, but it is just showing some resistance at the top. Now this will be third touch. Okay, 30,000 879 to 900, it will be the third touch. If it takes the resistance, then markets will seriously go again 700 to till 30,000. If not, if it breaks out, then also it will, if you see here, indicator will be overbought and go again downside. So anyhow any damn how 31,386 is your stop loss. It is a call writing area if you are doing options. So it is a call writing area. And see, now just look at this, as we came away, we told that 100 odd points it will go up, and it has almost rose. See, 100 points for Indian peoples is not much, because we don't invest as a one Bitcoin. But people in USA, they invest 40 lakhs rupees, whatever the like this one Bitcoin is for now 30 lakhs something, like 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Okay, so they will invest in that sense. Okay, so 100 points even will give them 3 lakh rupees, and it is a big amount. That will be almost 3,000 to 4,000, $5,000 within 5 minutes. Okay, so understand the power of Bitcoin if you are investing in that sense. Okay, and now just I came and told, it was so easy for me to tell that it's a morning star, it will go up when it was down. It is not so easy to tell. Experience speaks. Overall indicator is showing downside, still I was bullish and it went 100 points. But what when you invest a huge amount of 30 lakhs rupees? So that's not easy. The order blocks are following you. They may trap you even. They will not tell you and trap you. Okay, so understand that sense. Okay, now the thing is that it's is it worth buying over here now? So now morning star has come. If a follow-up candles come downside, and again a small follow-up candle come downside, then it again come over here. So it's nothing, it's just a choppy, because bears have a control on top side. And Bitcoin, whatever the change in prices was to be happened after a long consolidation. Actually, it's, I will say, it's, this is a very long consolidation. It just broke out. Actually, we should have entered over here. I missed this. Yeah, we just missed that. We agree that, but still we will not miss the selling over here. The good buying zone area will be like this 3214 or 30,000. If it takes a resistance over here, yeah, if it takes a resistance, the people who do trade in options in UBT USD, it's a very simple way, 6-hour strategy. I'm going to share you right now. Just you have to call right 30,000, like this strike price 31,000. Okay, call right of 31,000, and you have to put right of this support. We will believe that this is a support. Okay, 30,000 to 61. You in 6 hours you will get a very great combinations, and you will land up in profit only. Now sense is, this was not so upside, but it is rising upside, and it may come till over here. So the price may again rise till maybe it should rise till 3808 or 873, and if not, then directly one red candle over here, and then again upside bullshit and all that things, then this will be broken. If there is a very large red candle over here, I guarantee you again it will break upside. Okay, why? Because there is a positive divergence over here, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see over here that there is a positive divergence, and so it was, after a long time, it was a very good trade actually, you know. This was a very fantastic trade, guys. My goodness. But don't think that there is a positive divergence and you will just mess your money. Let it break out till here, and then after this closing you will be scalping, and that scalping went good, 200 points. So this is what you play. You don't play over here. You don't play over here. You even don't play over here. But play this. Play this. Trade this. I mean to say, don't play. It's not a gambling. It's a trading. It's a study. Okay. As you can see, so as you can see that there is a positive divergence over here. So this is the way markets work. You cannot sense markets anywhere any else out of that. Okay. So many people must have shorted over here. Look at this gravestone doji. Many people must have shorted over here. Again they got fish. Many people must have shorted again over here. Again the bearish angle thing. Again the bearish angle thing. Again the bearish angle. So in any sense Bitcoin is not going downside. So sellers are trapped. So this is the R4 and this is height. So it will go sideways only and it will go down, mark my words. And look at this, it went 100 points and now it is not sustaining even. So these are the very small points. People do take it. That is why the market is coming down and going up. So it will make a double top somewhere over here. And again there will be sideways, come down, up, down, up, down, up, down and break down. So enjoy guys. This was a Bitcoin. So after long time I have given a sell call on Shibu. So all in Indian markets were very bullish on Shibu. Everybody wants Shibu. Everybody wants Shibu. They were just speaking that. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. People have lost all their money. Oh no. That's fabulous. And people have lost money. That is not fabulous. What we gazed about the market, what we were thinking, that really worked well. That is great thing. Also, I have marked some things over here. I think when I have marked this, we were somewhere over here. I don't know, but we have marked this both lines. When 2 points joining a line, it is a trend, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 points touching a trend. My goodness. Yeah, this was also a line. We had done lots of things, lots of research. People wasted lakhs and crores of rupees over here. We tried to tell them, oh guys, don't mess with your money. It will not give you money. Money is not like the thing which is in your reservoir and you are removing it. So money is not like clouds that they will rain and you will get it. Money is not like air that it is just flowing and you will get it. It is not even like oxygen, like trees are spreading out of the way. Money is something that you have to put your hand in the stomach of a lion or a crocodile and remove it out of that mouth. It is so hard. Money is not easy, guys. Even many people do income their money very easily, but they must be matured enough or God's grace. One of the hundreds among get that grace. Now, if you see, Bitcoin is downside sliding and Shibu is showing something upside. So money is not flowing in a parallel way into the coins, and it may even slide to 0 or 0.00672 in the coming days. So understand, guys, people thought that investing $700 will give them $7 lakh within 1 year or half a year, and they don't have anything now. Like $7 lakh invested over here are just now $70,000, not more than that. They have lose their money 700, 500 to 600 times. Almost 90% money is lost. So such destruction has been done. Such destruction has been happened, and slowly killing is been happening. Now people must have thought that, oh, people have smart people, what they must have did do, I will tell you. When the market was coming down, they must have sold over here. They did not thought that they have invested over here. And when the price came near support or green zone super trend type, so they invested over here in a large amount. Very in a small bit they invested here, they invested here. Pro investors, institutional investor here and here, and they suddenly took out all money over here. So whatever the loss they were incurring over here, they took it over here. And in everyday trading and everyday selling also, they took the money and cash it out. So nobody, no, I don't think much people must have income the money over here. Okay, so this is how institutional and pro people take their profits out of here, and people like retailer think that, oh, it is standing near the range one, exact range one profit booking happened, guys. So this is a mess. This is a morning star in between, and there is a red candle. So this morning type star is a fuck, and you should not use it in any way. So guys, best of luck. We will now meet you every day, and if you have any doubts, even if you don't have any doubts, you want to trade live, you can WhatsApp me on 9637513191. So you can WhatsApp me directly and get a live trades. So this is a very super trend indicator, and it works very well in Indian markets also, as well as many time trapping do happens. Okay, but but when the market goes up and comes down, it works good while taking supports actually. So best of luck, and we'll surely meet tomorrow. Okay guys, thank you. Oh, voice was down. I don't know whether the voice has been recorded. Okay.